So here, this video is for those students who are coming for out of college. So some steps they can follow to get decent kind of job. So basically, the student who is from CSIT and ECE background and want to get a job into IT as a backend development, so they can learn these things, or they can follow these three things to get decent salary kind of job. Okay, so and who are studying into college, those students also can basically care about these topics, and some academic knowledge they can gain, and when they are having this knowledge, then after college they not need to basically go into deep for these topics. They can just revise the thing. So in academic knowledge, yeah, basically when any interview you are learning, then some academic knowledge interviewer expects. So that like from DS, questions can be different from in different companies. So it might differ company to companies, that what standards they are following. So in DS they can learn array matrix, string, stack, queue, linked list, hash, tree, heap, graph. In graph, many things comes in tree also. In tree structure, binary tree is famous. Binary search tree is most famous. So they can basically learn how is the behavior of these kind of data structure. Like when we store the data, then we need some structure kind of thing, so for storing the data, so that we store into these format of structure. Second is algo. So sort, basically in algo we do sorting, searching, traversing, and data manipulation thing. For these, all of the algorithms are built on. So sorting, searching BFS and DFS, these many more algorithm are there. So those can be covered, and if you are knowing, so just pick the famous uh, one. Basically in sorting you can pick some 3-4, like normal sorting, bubble sort, merge sort, and in search, BFS, DFS, these are famous ones. So in traversing, in data manipulation, so famous algorithms are there, and just care about complexity of algorithm basically. So in sorting, let's suppose some algorithm having n square time complexity of sorting, and some are having n log n. So need to know basically the most efficient algorithm that is good, and worst also know for knowledge purpose, and at least one will be good for. So, and networking basic, if you are knowing, then well and good, and any coding language, C++, Java or Python. So if for coding anything is fine, but if you are doing any project, so Java or Python is must basically. So when you are writing the skills, so skills when you are writing into your resume, so just maintain a unified or unidirectional skills. Like don't write all of the things like C++, Java, Python. Even if you learn 1 or 2 days Python, then you are writing a Python. So that is not a good sign actually for maintaining a resume. So see the projects in which language and what are the technologies that you used to build your projects. So those skills is mandatory to mention into a skills section of your resume. So and those should be your unidirectional skills actually, and that will get noticed by interviewer. And if that is good, then basically interviewer will think that you are following some set of skills and on that you are practicing. So this is basically good sign basically to get hired. And whatever project you are building, so gain the knowledge. First of all, develop that project by yourself, and one and get all of the knowledge end to end whatever you are building, so that you can explain during interview. And at least practice 100 plus lead code, basic and medium questions. I think that is standards, and interviewer mostly asked from their for freshers, I can say. And obviously uh, you'll get idea basically. And I think most of the questions you'll be able to solve if 100 plus of questions from lead code if you solve from basic and mediums. If you are solving more, then well and good. Otherwise, these three things if you are following, then I think for sure you'll be getting job.